Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to address you today on the topic of in vitro diagnostics. This is one of the most pivotal sectors in modern healthcare. It has always played an essential role in clinical decision-making, but it is set to transform over the next decade. Driven by emerging technologies, personalized medicine, and a new wave of digital integration. We're seeing huge strides in genomics, proteomics, artificial intelligence, microfluidics, and point-of-care technologies. The diagnostics sector is shifting from reactive testing to predictive, preventive, and personalized diagnostics. The coming years will bring more. From multiplex testing platforms with artificial intelligence interpretation to lab on a chip and the portable diagnostics. Not to mention the integration of real-time health data from wearable devices. The use of machine learning for pattern recognition will enable more preventive diagnostics. This is a game changer for healthcare. And it is why the EU's rulebook for diagnostics have also changed. The in vitro diagnostics regulation has applied since May 2022, and some transition periods are still underway. Its main features include better transparency, higher clinical evidence requirements, and stronger post-market surveillance. This ensures the safety and performance of diagnostics for patients. However, challenges are evident. Medical laboratories often struggle to put the most groundbreaking technologies in use. They are held back by budget limitations, staff retaining needs, lack of interoperability with existing lab information systems, and the before-mentioned regulatory hurdles when it comes to data privacy and device validation. I would especially highlight the issue of regulatory barriers. It is already clear to us that the EVD regulation has caused serious bottlenecks that unnecessarily prolong the time to market for new diagnostics. This is why I'm happy to inform you that this problem will be addressed this year's review of the regulation. But legislative action itself is not sufficient. Diagnostics manufacturers, laboratory networks, hospitals and healthcare systems, and academic institutions, everyone has a role to play. Patients' input is also crucial when solving problems. A good example of this kind of collaboration is the Core MD project. It is funded by Horizon 2020 and looks at the clinical evaluation methods of high-risk medical devices. When it comes to diagnostics, partnership models could involve the developing and validating technologies jointly. Labs can be involved early in the product development lifecycle to keep it clinically relevant and make sure it integrates smoothly. They can also help make different devices and systems more interoperable. And if we want artificial intelligence and machine learning tools, we need robust, ethical data sharing partnerships, balancing innovation with patient privacy. The recently adopted European health data space will be instrumental in this regard. Another key ingredient is education and training. If manufacturers support training lab staff to use a new product, it makes it much easier for the lab to adopt it. The European Commission already supports several schemes, including the examples I have mentioned. It will continue this support. Ladies and gentlemen, the future of diagnostics is not just about better devices. It's about connecting systems, working together, and opening up access to cutting-edge technology for patients. If we want to close the gap between innovation and implementation, we need strong, forward-thinking partnerships. This general conference brings together many voices to help make that happen, and I wish you lots of good discussions. We share the same vision for the future: diagnostics excellence for all. Thank you.